Hey guys, so I know I haven't posted in like a long ass time, but today I'm back and I'm going to be doing a everyday makeup tutorial because I literally haven't been getting ready in like a long time, and that's because I've been so busy with like school and work, and I'm a senior in high school, so like I'm about to graduate in like 2 months, so like everything's literally coming at me at once, and I'm like stressed and stuff. But anywho, this is literally the look I do every single day for like school and stuff, or like whenever I'm about to go out and I just need to like try to look cute real quick. So I already moisturized my face, but for the moisturizer I always use the Neutrogena moisturizer. It's oil free and it's like says it's for combination skin, but my face is like so oily, so I like to use it. And today I went to Walmart and I picked up another foundation because mine was literally running out already. You know, if you guys know this is my favorite, all-time favorite foundation. Never gonna stop using it, honestly. And then I also picked up the Wet n Wild foundation and the photo focus one because I wanted to try it to see what the hype is all about, because everyone likes it and like some of my friends use it, so I said I'm gonna try it. I also primed my face already, and I used the Too Faced Primed Poreless Primer. I always prime my face with this one. I like it a lot. And then I also picked up a new blending brush because actually, yeah, I did get a blending brush. The Real Techniques. I got the Real Techniques blending brush and the sponge. And I got a new one because the one that I'm using right now is like so busted. But like I'm waiting for it to get even more messed up than it is, so that way I can use a new one. And then this brush, I got it just because I wanted to try out a brush with foundation, because I have the Fenty Beauty foundation and I don't like how it looks with the sponge. Damn. And yeah, so I want to see if this will work out. I'm just gonna already start. So I'm going to start with my eyebrows. I haven't ever started a video without doing my eyebrows, so today's the day that I'm going to start without my eyebrows. I literally can't talk right now. I feel like I forgot how to make a freaking video. So I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in chocolate, and I used the brush as well. I think this is in the number 7. But what I do, because a lot of people always want to know how I do my eyebrows, all I do is literally just like line the bottom of my eyebrows. Like. And then once I have the arch that I want, I just get whatever's left on the brush and I just brush it up. So what I did was just carve out my eyebrows, and I used the MAC 212 brush, and I used the Glamouflage concealer in Fair, and I just used that to carve out my brows. So now I'm going in with my foundation, and like always, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So my camera decided to stop playing when I was putting on my first coat of foundation, and I'm just going to put more foundation wherever I need it the most. And don't forget your neck, because you don't want to look weird. So many females forget their neck and they look so weird, like you can see their mask, like literally. It's bad. And if you guys can't tell, I do have eyelash extensions. You guys probably can tell. It's obvious when someone has eyelash extensions. But yeah, I recently got my eyelash extensions with this amazing person that I'm so glad and thankful that I found her, because I love the way she does my eyelashes. I'm literally gonna start getting eyelash extensions from now on, no more falsies, because seriously guys, getting eyelash extensions saves you so much time. I swear to God, ever since I got my eyelash extensions, I literally been doing my makeup in less than like 15 minutes. If you live in the Lake Elsinore area, you guys have to check her out. I will link her to her Instagram in the description box below, so you guys can check her out because she does an amazing job. Now I'm just going to be setting my face with the Airspun powder. And I haven't used Airspun in like so long, but I decided to get it again because, to be honest, I missed it. So to bronze my face, I use the Hoola bronzer. I'm never going to stop using this bronzer either because it's like the perfect bronze. You know what I mean? Like, it's not too dark and it's not too light either. And it gives you like that perfect like tan look. Usually I use my Jaclyn Hill palette, and shout out to my brother because he bought me this palette on my birthday. I love it a lot, and I usually always use this color right here just to add some color to my eyes, but I never really do my eyeshadow ever since I got the eyelash extensions because I don't know, I feel like I don't need it. Oh, and once I turned 18, I swear I went crazy, and I was like, oh, I can get piercings now, I can get tattoos now. So as soon as I turned 18, I went to go get my tongue pierced, and I got the snake eyes. It hurt so bad, like I literally cried, like how bad it hurt. Like, just my eyes watered really bad. I literally got it just to have it, just because I wanted a new piercing. I was getting bored with myself, so I was like, I want a piercing. And then so I got that, and then I also went to go get a tattoo, and it's like super simple, and I just got it. I was like, oh, I want it. Like, it doesn't represent anything, I just like really love roses. Like, that's my favorite flower, so I decided to get something simple. It's my first tattoo as well, so my parents don't know about it, and my mom sees my videos, and so do my tia. So if you guys are watching this, I'm sorry, but I got a tattoo. Yeah, it's like something about Hispanics that they don't mess with tattoos at all. Like, they do not. I swear, every Hispanic just hates tattoos. Like, if you're Hispanic, you know you're not allowed to have tattoos. So all I did was just add my favorite lip pencil in nude, and it's the Italia lip liners. I swear, y'all sleeping on these. These are $1 anywhere, and they work so good. They're so smooth. I love them. But yeah, that's all I did, and this is basically it. I'm telling you guys, it's super quick and it's cute, and you still look put together. But yeah, this is basically it. So I hope you guys like this tutorial on my everyday look, and I know you guys missed me. Just kidding, but I know I haven't posted in forever, so I'm probably going to start, I hope, to post more often. Guys, don't forget to go check out at Lisa Lashes on Instagram. I'm going to link their app down below, so you guys can go check them out. They are on sale right now for $10, and you guys can use my discount code HotCheetos10, so you guys can get 10% discount on these lashes. They're so pretty. I love them. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys next time.